Good morning, class 4th students. This is your English class, and today I will teach you English grammar. We all know that we learn basics of English grammar, and first lesson name is nouns. So today I will teach you noun, and we will solve also question number 1, which is saying identify the noun in the following sentences and write in the space provided. So, but first of all, we read some let's know which has given in your book. So open your book, page number 5, and see. Let's know parts of a speech. What is parts of a speech? Here is saying about the parts of a speech. A group of words that expresses a meaningful sense is called a sentence. First of all, here is said about the sentence. What is sentence? A group of words which have meaningful sense, that is called sentence. If we study various words, we find that they can be categorized into 8 different classes. These categories of words or word classes are known as parts of a speech. We all know the group of words which give the meaningful sense, that is called sentence, and these words are divided into 8 parts. That they are categorized in 8 classes that are called parts of a speech. In English, there are 8 parts of a speech. In English, there are 8 parts of a speech. So first is noun, then pronoun, then adjective, then verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. In this chapter, we are going to learn about nouns. So first parts of a speech name is noun, and we are going to learn about the noun. Noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Noun is telling us about about any person, any things, any places, or any animal. Now some sentences are here. Read it. Read the following sentences. Number 1, the girl is reading. The word girl is the name of a person. In this sentence, the girl is reading. Girl is name of a person. It is noun. Girl is noun. Then the giraffe is a tall animal. The giraffe is a tall animal. The word giraffe is the name of an animal. So giraffe is the name of an animal. It is noun. Then that is a market. The word market is the name of a place. Here is market is the name of a place. It is noun. Then she has a toy. The word toy is the name of a thing. The toy is a name of things. So toy is naming word. In the above sentence, what I had read recently, in the above sentence, girl, giraffe, market, and toy are naming words. Naming words are called noun. Always remember, a noun refers to the name of a person, place, animal, or things. Example: boy, girl, Delhi, Chennai, tiger, elephant, book, pen, etc. Now some questions are here. We will do it. Question number 1 is let identify the noun in the following sentences and write in the space provided. 1. A. Delhi is the capital Delhi is the capital of India. Here is Delhi. Delhi and India. It is noun. So we will write it here to Delhi and India. Now B. B is New York is the largest city in America. In America. Here New York city and America are noun. Now C to C. The Nile means Nile river. The Nile is a large river in Egypt. Egypt, which is called Misra also. Here is Nile river and Egypt are noun. Now D. The elephant is the largest land animal. Here is elephant. Elephant and animal are noun. Then E. The shopkeeper sells rice, sugar, butter, and tea. Here shopkeeper, rice, sugar, butter and tea all are noun. So we will write shopkeeper, rice, sugar, butter, tea. Now F. Kanika can speak. Kanika can speak English very well. Here Kanika and English are noun. So we will write Kanika and English. See this? Now CG. C2G. G is a good, sorry, G, a bad workman. A bad workman blames his tools. Here is workman. Workman is noun. So workman and tool. Here workman and tool are noun. Now H. H is the postman. The postman brings us letters. Here postman and letters are noun. So we will write here postman and letters. Now I. The earth moves around the sun. Earth and sun are noun. So we will write here to earth and sun. These are some answer, some sentences, and we have solved which are nouns. We had indicated that your video, this video is being longer, so the rest we will do in next class. Today I will do a stop here this video. We will meet again in next class and we will do the rest. So now thanks for watching today's video. Thank you. Goodbye.